In this video, we are gonna talk about 5 top news. You are watching The Outring. Before starting, let me remind you, if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you get to know. 1. Maximum commercial pilot licenses issued this year, says Aviation Ministry. The number of commercial pilot licenses issued in 2022 was the highest ever, the Ministry of Civil Aviation said on Friday in a statement looking back at the sector's highlights for the year. According to a statement issued by the ministry, 2022 was notable because it was the year that the government handed over Air India to the Tata Group. A new facial recognition-based flyer identity verification system was rolled out and a new airline took to the skies, Akasha Air, in August. Highest number of commercial pilot licenses, CPL, of the last decade was issued by DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, in 2022. It is said in its statement. The ministry also noted its decision to increase the number of air traffic controllers, ATCOs. The country was facing an acute shortage of ATCOs. The ministry, with concurrence of DPE, approved creation of 340 more posts of ATCOs, the ministry's statement said. ONDC to charge small fee from platforms after growth period. Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, the Open E-commerce protocol set up by the Commerce Ministry's Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT, will charge a small fee from platforms that will contribute towards maintenance and development of the network, said T. Koshi, Managing Director and Chief Executive of the Non-Profit Network Protocol. In an interview, Koshi said ONDC may begin charging the fee from platforms on the network in perhaps 1 year. He didn't disclose the quantum of fee. Third, Finance Minister, market will draw in global firms, India incorporation must gear up. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Friday asked Indian companies to be ready for a major reset amid ongoing global uncertainties, given that India, with its massive domestic market, is uniquely positioned to become a preferred destination for world's manufacturers who are working on the China Plus One and the Europe Plus One strategies. We have been speaking and also acting on China Plus One, but now, as you are aware, it's also going to be Europe Plus One. So, Plus One is becoming Plus Two in a way, she told businessman at the 95th Annual Convention and AGM of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. The FM was referring to a likely long-drawn recession in the West providing an opportunity to Indian firms. Fourth, UN recognizes Namami Gange as one of the top 10 world restoration flagships. The United Nations has recognized Namami Gange initiative to rejuvenate India's sacred river Ganga as one of the top 10 world restoration flagships to revive the natural world. The award was received by G. Ashok Kumar, DG Namami Gange, at a function in the 15th Conference of Parties COP15 to the Convention on Biodiversity CBD in Montreal, Canada on December 14, the World Restoration Day. Namami Gange was selected from over 150 such initiatives from 70 countries across the globe. Fifth, Navy to commission India-built stealth guided missile destroyer. India will commission its latest stealth guided missile destroyer, Mormugao, at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai on December 18, with the Navy on Friday saying that the indigenous warship will augment its mobility, reach and flexibility to accomplish tasks in the Indian Ocean and beyond. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will attend the commissioning ceremony. Mormugao is the second warship under the Navy's Project 15B, under which 2 more warships will be delivered by 2025. Officials familiar with the Navy's modernization said. The first P-15B warship Vishakhapatnam was commissioned in Mumbai last November. The Vishakhapatnam class destroyers have been designed by the Navy's in-house organization, Warship Design Bureau. That's all for today. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.